So have you been looking for a way to preserve your curls? Let's say after doing your hair today and your event is for the next day. I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in, please keep on watching. All I'll be needing for this is the bobby pins. So I'm going to then take the curls. I was supposed to use the wrap strip to like tie down the edges before putting the invisible net, which I'm going to do here in this video. So I'm going to tie it down and then voila, we're done. That's the end of today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on this channel? Don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.